Just pissed off half my neighbors. That's gonna happen. What could it be? What could this be? I don't know. What do you think? Yep, I made that. Oh, let's see if we're having a sunny day today. Nope. Major chance of rain today. Non-stop. It is non-stop raining here in Wisconsin. I haven't ridden my bike in 3 weeks. This is my life. So today, since I can't do a lot of riding, I'm just going to show you a little bit about the Ram Mounts X Grip. And I had a couple issues with this. It's nice, but it's not very user-friendly with an iPhone. I'll tell you why. First of all, this charger is awesome. Well, I just took a picture with my phone. I didn't want to do that. These two touch both buttons, each side of the phone. The problem with that is that it turns on your emergency, and this happened to me a couple times while on the highway. And when that happens, emergency calls you and finds out what's wrong. So when you use one of these, make sure that it's not touching your buttons. You want to be cautious of that. It's hard to see. When I click that button, it switches the, to the odometer reading, RPMs, 64. I believe that's the engine. DC, battery mileage has the time, and I guess I'm heading north. So, yeah, it's kind of nice. You could be driving, you just push this little trigger, you're good to go. I'm glad my bike starts. I'd like to get another ride in before winter, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, this is pretty nice for the most part. It's just you really have to watch this. Make sure that the buttons on each side of your phone aren't touching, because you really don't want to call emergency on the highway and then they come looking for you and they'll text you, wonder where you're at, are you okay? That happened to me on the highway this summer. But it's been raining for what? The past, well, all fall, all the rest of summer. So I didn't get a lot of riding in. Kind of bummed out. So yeah, that's my little tutorial for the day, but